Today, we're diving into the Larsen 450 to 470 MHz half-wave unity gain glass mount antenna, a sleek and powerful solution for your communication needs. With a specific frequency range of 450 to 470 MHz, this antenna is designed to deliver optimal performance in its target spectrum. Sporting a modest 2 dB gain, it ensures reliable signal reception and transmission without unnecessary amplification. The whip length of 15 inches strikes a balance between functionality and portability, making it suitable for various mounting setups. The antenna comes equipped with a 14-foot RG58 cable terminated with a UHF male connector, offering flexibility in installation and connectivity options. Its robust design supports a maximum power handling of 100 watts, promising durability and reliability even under demanding conditions. Whether you're involved in amateur radio, public safety, or commercial operations, this antenna proves to be a dependable companion. In practical terms, the Larsen 450 to 470 MHz antenna excels in urban and suburban environments where signal interference can be a challenge. Its glass mount installation option adds versatility, allowing you to mount it securely on windows or other glass surfaces without compromising signal quality. This feature is particularly advantageous for mobile applications, ensuring consistent performance while on the move. Overall, the Larsen 450 to 470 MHz half-wave unity gain glass mount antenna stands out for its blend of performance, durability, and ease of installation. Whether you're upgrading your communication setup or seeking a reliable antenna for your next project, this model ticks all the boxes. Stay tuned as we demonstrate its real-world performance in our upcoming tests.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.